Simon Ekpa have sent a strong message to Hope UZODINMA, the governor of Imo State. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If today na the day wey dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, hurry right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook for a quick update as e dey hot. Na so we dey bring and dey come. If you love wetin this channel dey do, dey bring you updates as e dey hot, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that the updates go dey flow for that side as well. So let's go for the matter wey we get for hand today. They say Simon Ekpa don blow heat give Hope UZODINMA, the governor of Imo State. Say make e no talk again, make e no try talk. Say na dem be Biafra government in exile. Say like this now, na dem be the legitimate government in Biafra. Say even Nigeria government wey operate in Biafra territory, they no get level. I will play the video where Simon Ekpa dey blow am, dey bomber to bomber, dey give Hope UZODINMA. So move watch the video, then we'll come back and analyze am more better.
As how can non-state actors give sit at home order and it will be obeyed? People are scared. People are afraid because of what they have seen in the past. So and nobody wants to die, neither me nor anybody.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. This is Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile. On this day, 21st day of August 2023, I want to respond to Hope UZODINMA. You see, when you continue to deceive yourself and live in denial, this is the result. I want to make it very clear to Hope UZODINMA and people like him that when you continue to say non-state actors, I do not understand what you mean by that. We are not non-state actors. It is time you come to term that Biafra Republic Government in Exile is a legitimate government of the Biafra people, and Biafra people are loyal to the government. So don't say we are non-state actors. We are Biafra state actors. And I want to tell you today that people are sitting at home not because they are scared, because they are fed up of you, they are tired of you, they have no trust in you, they have made you an illegitimate governor, and the Nigeria government in Biafra land has become illegitimate government. The only legitimate government is Biafra Republic Government in Exile. So I want to make it very clear to you people today that one, Biafrans are not scared. That's why they are sitting at home, because they are tired and sick of Nigeria. Two, Biafra people know that the Biafra government is the only government that fight for their future. You don't fight for their future in Nigeria, rather you bring the military to kill them. So how do you think they are going to listen to you when all you do is to kill them? You have lost everything. You've lost the territorial integrity to Biafra, and you must accept that. And you also have said that you either don't want to die. Why would you kill yourself? If you die in the process of sitting at home, it means that you kill yourself. It is called suicide. You organize your own killers. And I know you're not going to do that. That's why some of you are still alive. So I'm telling you today that stop saying we are non-state actors. You have to come to understand that Biafra has a government, both in the homeland and in diaspora, which is the exile government. So we have de facto government of Biafra and Biafra government in exile. And we are in charge until Biafra is declared, and all of you will be alive to see it. Thank you.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video where Simon Ekpa is replying to Hope UZODINMA, say na him be the government where they exist now. Say no other government they exist for Biafra territory. He went ahead and say as long as they're in charge, say Biafra go come for their front. They go dey shock where Biafra they come. Don't be small thing. As they hear am, now so we will hear them too. Let's go ahead and look into the next news where we get for our table today. This one will shock you. Simon Ekpa on his Twitter page said that those planning to come and make trouble at the Biafra convention, we will collect your money. They say they will collect your money and lock you up. Voila. Now my promise to you, I will handcuff you myself. You don hear am o. Na Simon Ekpa dey talk dis thing. He say those who wan come make problem for im self-referendum convention wey e wan do for Finland, say im go handcuff those people by himself and e go collect their money, also give them woto. Dis thing is coming from Simon Ekpa. So guys, let's go ahead and look into the next ogbonge news wey we get for our hand today. No be small thing o. They say unknown gunmen don capture one driver, and maybe this driver they get issue with im boss. You understand? So the video, I'll play the video for you, make you see. So according to the guy, they say the guy na from Yoruba, and be like say the motor, those unknown gunmen carry the motor, you understand? So now they come track am, come send this driver make him go carry am, and wey be say the government don negotiate with their boss, say their boss go pay them some ransom. So now they wan come use this guy now do sacrifice in the name of send am make him go kpokere go carry the motor. Now government take capture this hating man, and now they threat say they want delete the man comot for this particular world wey me and you dey inside. So see as the man dey shake. So this a manager, abeg, if you know wetin you go do to save this guy, make you try do am. Okay my people, make we go watch the video as we will come back and also continue.
Your name na wetin? Wetin carry you come?
And my manager send me come from
Your manager? Who be your manager? Wetin said you make you come do?
no get contact with 200 pounds. Not to say that we be track for this year for 1 minute.
Make you go shake am. Wetin na tracking in track am abi na wetin dem do? Dem track am. Trust send the address for you. Okay. Make una dey lis ten to wetin I dey tell una now. Una think say you dey play, unknown gunmen dey play. Make una say to una don cost una brother. Look here. You say that wetin be your name again? Talk louder make I hear am.
Abioye Oladi.
Okay. And this on a brother like this now, we don't chop am. Unknown gunmen don't chop am. On a say we dey play, we discuss around something. On a con dey go dey send person wey go come dey track us abi, they come shake well on a motor dey. Come bring spy, make they come know where we dey. You understand? On a brother, on a don't forget am. They come see say, we no dey play. That thing wey on a driver wey dey hold that time, they turn am. They come believe and say na true. That driver, we leave and say because of na Igbo him be, but this one na Yoruba him be. Ondo Tulumbu, shebi na Tulumbu na your brother. Tulumbu no be your brother. Wetin Tulumbu be? Na Igbo person.
Na Yoruba.
Wetin Tulumbu be?
Na Yoruba.
Yoruba. Wetin you come be? Tulumbu no be your brother. No be your.
Na my brother.
Thank you. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.
So my people, as you don watch that video, na so we see am o. So maybe these people they get something in common wey be say we no know, me and you no know, because they don talk for this video say they don first capture one driver wey wan come onto Jankpa way, wey wan carry motor wey dem kolobi one side. They say they capture that one, come leave am because say na Igbo. But this video wey dey go viral now, be like say something behind this video. May no be like say these people are trying to trigger another tribalism war between Igbo and Yoruba. Because if Yoruba man watch this thing now, come use eyes, come look Igbo man, go say, "Chai, Igbo man do this one, do that one." So may everybody when they watch this video, may use your brain, watch am, may know say some things that they add am and form am up in order way to put enmity and the trigger panicking in the middle of people. So you have to be very, very careful as they watch the video. make we no go be the victim of wetin somebody sit down plan and act as well. So no be every video wey you watch you go believe say na real. You know say for this channel we dey talk true, dey tell you as e be for here. So the one wey we no believe say this thing happen o, we go still let you people know say see as e be. So make everybody dey careful. If you Yoruba wey dey for this platform watch this video, you have to also reason am two ways before you start carry enmity with any Igbo man wey dey around you. So remember, those people identify themselves as unknown gunmen, which is we no see their face, we no know who they be. So thank you so much for watching today program on this particular great channel. Don't forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as e dey hot. Now we dey bring and dey come. May you no forget to say information na be the key. If you lack information, you go carry your leg waka where you no know. Thanks for watching.